Mom. I got my bag. Whoa, that is a huge bag, honey. Do you mind if I use it? What if you use something smaller? Okay, well, like what? Well, like that. Mother, really? Yes, you're gonna use that bag right there. And that's final. Fine. Period. Okay. But Mom, I gotta take a lot of stuff. No, honey, you only need your pajamas and toothbrush. What else do you need besides that? Well, my teddy, honey, okay, fine. You're gonna take your teddy, your blanket, actually, your pajamas, actually, no pajamas. Yay. Huh? Okay, and no toothbrush. Fine. Okay, look, you're gonna take your teddy and your blanket, okay? Okay. Now let me get that stuff. Then, I'm getting my most favorite blankie I ever have, which is this cute blankie. Now, I'll just open my luggage, which it broke. I'll just stuff my stuff in here.